Welcome to our next unit in creative writing and animation. In this unit, you will be constructing a creative writing story and animating it on a program called Scratch. We'll start by learning about the plot pyramid so you can understand the various elements of a story. We'll learn things such as theme, conflict, characterization, point of view, setting, and more. After your story has been scripted, it will be checked by your peers and your teacher so that you can begin creating your program animated on Scratch. This is the rubric that I'll use when correcting your papers. But first, let's sign into CS first. Follow the steps here and put in your group code in this screen called Gold 1. After that, you can copy and go back and sign in. We'll be using the green square called Storytelling. Please click on it, and when you get to the next screen, click on Activity 5. After that, we'll be going through each of the videos on CS first so that we can understand the steps ahead of us as far as constructing our program. There are 5 videos total that are tutorials to help you through Scratch. And after the 5 tutorials, there are some fun settings that we can add on at the end, such as a setting, a mystery box, a character, playing a song, or adding some narration to the narrator itself. If at any time you have questions, please click on the box for help. After the tutorial videos, you'll be able to choose your own storyline, like the 5 boxes that you see in the corner. Those will take you into Scratch, where you'll see that some of the program has already been laid out for you. Take a moment to look at each of the different options. As you can see, each of the colors show a different feature that you can control while using and programming Scratch in your own story. After you've done that, take a look at each of the characters and the different emotions they have while programming your story. Feel free to try out some of the codes that have already been constructed for you. As you can see, the dinosaur is dancing and breathing fire. Don't forget about the mystery box. That won't come until the end, but it's good for you to get a feeling of how it can be used in your story. After you've been through all 5 steps, you'll be asked to change the setting. These are the different settings that you can use in your story. You'll also be asked to add some sound or play some music. And finally, you'll be able to add another character to help make your story a little more exciting. Finally, at the completion of all of your steps, you'll be asked to construct a little bit of a tutorial evaluation. If you have to go back to Scratch, you can sign in this way. Just follow the steps at the top of the screen. Make sure that you save your work and sign in each time so that you don't have to go back and do it again. If at any time you'd like to vary from your original script, just make sure that you make notations in your brainstorming. Thanks for watching and listening, and I hope you enjoy using CS First or Scratch.